Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add moderator on your YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing is that you simply need to log in into your YouTube channel. Once you're there, you click on the setting button, yeah? After which, a new pop-up is going to display where you simply click on what? Community. So guys, here you can see managing moderator, standard moderator. So guys, if you simply want to add a moderator on your channel, you can simply search for the person's channel name like this. Let me say I want to add Mokobe Tech. I'll add it. Let me say I want to add Elec TV as a moderator to this channel. Here's it here. I'll click on it. Or another method is that you can simply go to YouTube and search for the channel in which you want to add. Let me say I want to add this channel, that's Takang Official, as a moderator. Or click on it, copy the channel link, after which come back here and simply paste the link here. So this is a channel here. After that, you click on what? Save. So guys, that is actually the way you add moderator on your YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.